In front of me is a THL T7, and today I will show you how to set up a portable hotspot on the device. So starting off, we will need to go into the settings. So it can be either on the home screen in the app drawer, or you can just pull down the notification panel, and it should be somewhere like right here, indicated by the gear icon. So once you're here, tap on More, the wireless and network settings. And from here you will see tethering and portable hotspot, so tap on this. And from here at the top you have Wi-Fi Hotspot, so select it. And here you can customize it, turn it on by flipping this. And customize it, set up LAN hotspot. And then you get to choose the name of the network that it will be showing, type of security, then password that you want to use. You can also tap on show password so you know what it is if you don't feel like changing it. And also when you go down, you can set up how many people can connect to this single hotspot. So you can just change it to, for instance, one user only, and only one person will be able to connect to it. Once you're satisfied with your settings, you can just tap on save and then enable it. And now the Wi-Fi hotspot should be visible in the list of accessible hotspots or Wi-Fi networks in the area on a different device. And once you want to turn it on, you can just, or off, you can just flip this back off and it will be then disabled, automatically also disconnecting any device that is connected to it. So that is basically how you set up and connect to a portable hotspot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.